So, Carhartt's awesome. As a youth jacket, they don't fix it like the adult jackets, but they sent me, we gave them a model, and then we gave them like what a model and the size they needed, and they gave us a new zipper because our zipper broke. So, like, we're gonna pry the actual zipper broke, so it broke right there, and we can't fix it with nothing. So I'm gonna pry that apart. So this thread will be there. The real way, take it to a seamstress and stuff.
And take this out.
Take it out, but we're not gonna. So we're just stitching it right on the inside of it, and we think it'll work. So you just gotta go really slow. We survived the one cross stitch there, but yeah, so this is what we're doing, and we're going really slow and taking your time if you got to do this yourself. We have a lower end sewing machine, so I'm sure the higher end sewing machines will handle thick material a lot better than what we got, but we're making it work right here. Mama's doing really good. She did, before we started filming, she snapped one needle. And so
I didn't snap it, it just came off.
Oh, it came off. So it came off the little hook.
It wasn't tight enough up here. It
wasn't tight. So yeah, so now we're good. So we didn't break nothing, but we're going really, really slow. And we'll see how it goes. Uh-oh.
Now we're broke.
Is there a button on the inside of the jacket itself? And then, as you can see, we're going slowly, and then we're tucking the zipper in as we walk down towards the bottom. So
that's and I'm reversing it.
Yeah, reversing it so
it's to keep tying it together. It's not going to be a perfect stitch, but we're not worried about that. Working perfectly.
And we just want the jacket to work right now. This is they're hand-me-downs from our kids, so it works out really well, you know, until they get big enough where you don't need a hand-me-down stuff. But this is awesome, and it appears to be working. I think it'll be all right.
Seems like a smaller area right here than I have to work with.
Okay. I'll be done in a second. Here you go. You just go now.
Hey baby, is it supposed to be looped like that?
I'm just going to Is this color? Okay. Should I get some more color?
Before you get any closer, let me pry that off. So we're going to just take that zipper off here. I'm going to go get a screwdriver and pry on it and stuff. But
done now.
What's it doing? Twisting on you? Want me to? Oops, sorry.
Yeah, like this has to be.
This color, don't you? See this color?
Yeah, I'm the zipper.
Oh.
Well done. You're going to put it on my thing? What? Put it on?
The old zipper, like I said, we were just adding this in place. It's a little tackier than you could make it professional, but we just want it to work right now. So all I did is you can see where it's broke, the tab snapped off, the old one. So all I did is I bent it with the pliers, or a screwdriver, and
You want to take this off, try to take that off?
pried that off.
Well, just because then I don't have to work around that piece too.
I have to cut it. You don't care if I cut it, right? I can cut this up a little bit.
No, I don't want you to cut. No, because I want it to stick to that part too.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to cut just this. How the heck? It's all pressed. So yeah, same thing. You can see right there, it looks like it's pressed into it. So I'm just going to take it and try to press this piece, like twist that piece off. Take your screwdriver, work it in there slowly. Looks like it's working its way loose there a little bit, so we're just going to walk it. Oh yeah, so you can see I'm spreading it on it. It'll get enough that I can lose the bite, and then she can stitch it to that piece. So we're almost there, a couple more seconds, I think.
Stop it!
Oh yeah, look, I snapped it, so that works. So I ended up just breaking it. You can see there's a little lock tab in there. It's real tight. Sorry, my fumble hands. But it'll just attach to it. So we're going to leave that. Like I said, she's sewing it pretty much to this and this. Going
all three of these layers here. Just to give it more bite. So it'll, you can see up here, it'll sit on top of the old zipper. It's kind of stitched to all three layers.
switch spots. I got a cup for your milk, baby. Yep. Perfect. Oh, whoops. What'd I do? I messed your stuff up? Sorry. Can you what are we gonna do with that extra stuff? Oh,
you pulled it out.
I didn't mean to. It's all tangled up now. It's gonna work, you think? Ooh. Gotta cut it.
No, I don't want to. I'm gonna try to get it back in there.
I make nice
All because I wanted to pull that piece apart. I screwed her all up for a minute. Oops.
I'm making this off going. What are you doing? How's that go?
So it looks like it's all in there. Now, I am no seamstress, obviously. I don't have a straight line very well. But that's okay. That wasn't the point of this.
We just want it to functionally work, and I think we accomplished that.
I think it actually doesn't look terrible. Even though it's not the right zipper for it. But I went, you know, obviously this is where we got messed up when he was pulling the zipper off, but it should work. We tried it out with the old side, so we didn't have to put one over here.
Nice. Oh man. Oh man.
I guess we could probably put the other side on too.
I think we're gonna try it like this right now. It's a little ghetto, but we just wanted the jacket to work because it's seen its fair share, and if we can get a little more mileage out of it with the kids, we're gonna. In worst case scenario, we'll just have to go get another one. But like I said, Carhartt was awesome. We called them. They gave us like a ticket order because it's youth stuff. They don't fix it like they do adults. And so you just had to give them a little information off the jacket, and then they sent this awesome zipper here, and it was good to go. And a little artist work from one of our munchkins. Yeah, good job. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.